Hello, Earth System Science. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the agenda video for October 19th, 2020, the week of. We are transitioning this week to hybrid, which means that we will be meeting in person after this week. Both of our Earth Systems classes are odds, and so I will not see you formally, either on Teams or in person this week, which means that you have to rely on these agenda videos from henceforth in order to get detailed information about what we're doing during the week. Okay, so at this point you should have a game plan for when you are coming into school, whether or not you're Group A or Group B, and we will be meeting during scheduled class time, masked, socially distant, in person. Okay, so for this week, because it is a transition week and we have no formal meeting, I have one thing for you to do. So I'm going to get into it and explain it now. My hope is that you are actually watching this and that you will do it. It's sort of a test, I guess. So I'm going to get into it right now. This is the post. We are going to extend a little bit into our understanding of water quality. Actually, this is a video that I would have typically shown talking about how water can become contaminated. And we mentioned a mining accident in Colorado, outside of Durango, the Gold King mine you read an article about, which contaminated the water sources, or the river there, with heavy metals. There are also uranium mines in Colorado and other parts of the Southwest, primarily New Mexico. A lot of them end up being in the Navajo Nation, which is a reservation for the native Navajo people. And so a lot of their water has become contaminated because of mining activities throughout the last half century or so, since the 1950s. And so the only thing that I need you to do this week is an Ed puzzle that talks about what life is like currently on the Navajo Nation dealing with water contamination from uranium. That is it. That is all. So you click on this link. You should automatically be sent to this video, but if you're not, make sure you're logged into your PSD account. You watch it, and you answer the questions. And that is it. And then I will see you guys the 26th and the 27th in person. From there forth, we will continue moving forward. Reach out with any questions. If you're confused about scheduling, if you're confused about assignments, use this week, if you finish this Ed puzzle, as an opportunity to catch up, right? Use this time to turn in missing assignments. That is your objective this week. With that, I sign off. Goodbye.